Is your iPhone turning off automatically and won't turn back on? First, try a forced restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button and then quickly press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button continuously until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the logo, release the side button and see if your phone powers on. If that doesn't work, check your battery health. For that, open up your settings, then head over to battery. Now, go to battery health. If your battery health is below 80%, your iPhone may experience random shutdowns, slow performance, or charging issues. Consider replacing the battery if it's too low. Next, ensure your iPhone has the latest iOS update. Open Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. Install any available updates as bugs from previous iOS versions could cause unexpected shutdowns. If none of these works, you need to contact Apple support for further hardware diagnostics. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.